Hey, in this tutorial, I would like to show you the difference between engines. Like we will use the same source image, we'll use the same prompt as we used for NanoBanana Pro. I'll just simply copy paste it and I'll show you the difference between engines so you'll understand the difference of the quality for the current tasks and hope it will be useful for you. But generally, engines are changing. Sometimes they're working better, sometimes not. So feel free to try it and test it in your free time for different topics. And let's do it. I'm selecting my source image. I will select Flux 2 Pro. It's quite good. So what do we have here? Standard prompt presets, my presets, seed, of course. So it's a random seed of reproducible results. One is okay. I'm pasting my standard prompt as it was for NanoBanana Pro, so we can compare exactly the same prompts. Make a storm sky, not change foreground or architecture. Okay, I hit okay. Here you'll have a credit price for the current tasks. Now let's select also image editor. Let's select ChatGPT. Size is okay. Quality is okay. Medium. We can try high. Okay. We'll use the same prompt. So make a storm sky, don't change the foreground or architecture, hit make. Let's wait a little bit. Let's do the same with NanoBanana. So simply in engines, I am changing it. So we don't have anything in NanoBanana to work with. Now it's only a tab and you have nothing to change. You hit make. So the resolution and aspect ratio will be the same. And let's click Seedream. So I selected my source image, don't change anything, checked a Seedream, 2K, original aspect ratio, and used my standard prompt. And let's compare their results. Let's wait a second. And so why it is important? Because time to time you will see that there is no difference. So at this moment for me, NanoBanana Pro and NanoBanana is very, very good. It's one of my best engines for most of the tasks, and you have the same now. I see the stats in our information that you really love NanoBanana. But to be fair, Flux is also not so bad. Like really, it made some interesting mood, and it's something like, you're asking different persons like their opinion and they are giving you different feedback. So it's not so bad to compare sometimes to understand how engines are thinking, which one are okay, which one are not okay. They have a different price, they have a different infrastructure inside behind the button. So generally now we have results, and let's compare, for example, NanoBanana and Seedream. It's competitors because we are comparing Google and Chinese AI model. It's good in both sides, of course it's good. In Chinese Seedream, I see the problem that some of the trees are removed. So it's obvious a problem for me. Let's compare NanoBanana Pro with Flux. So architecture details are perfect. Rocks, everything is on the correct place. Trees are on the correct place, but light is quite strange. For me now it looks like creepy render. So yeah, it's not so good. Let's compare NanoBanana Pro to our ChatGPT. It's really good. Really good. Really advanced and beautiful option. Like I'm really impressed, really. It's cut it a little bit of the frame, as you see, because ChatGPT don't have original aspect ratio at this moment. So it's 9th of January. Okay, let's click enlarge. So ChatGPT is very good. Flux is not so good. Seedream removed me a few trees. And let's compare normal NanoBanana and NanoBanana Pro. Is there any difference? Almost no difference. Small move of the camera, really small. So NanoBanana Pro is better. Colors of the tree are also here better for me in the standard NanoBanana Pro now, and the usual NanoBanana, it's losing the light a little bit. So yeah, in this competition, in this prompt for a sky, I think generally NanoBanana Pro is the winner. But the second place for me, it's quite surprising, but it is ChatGPT. Quite good results, really quite good results. The same, like NanoBanana isn't like NanoBanana Pro is better than NanoBanana, so it's not needed for me. Flux 2 Pro for this task is not so good. Seedream removed trees and it's just a bad example. I don't think that I want to do that. And that's the compression for the first and easiest part of the AI sky replacement. And see you in the next tutorial. Bye.